Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to watch IPL 2023 in foreign countries. You can find the IPL in some websites, but there are always some country restrictions. For example, DAZN, which is not available outside the UK or Ireland. So as you know, DAZN is not available in most countries. So when I click on their official website, it says that DAZN isn't available in this country. But there is a fix to that problem, which is using a VPN that can trick the DAZN website that I am in another country on which DAZN is available, like the UK. In the description, I will leave a link to NordVPN, which is the king of VPNs worldwide, and it's the best choice for accessing DAZN from anywhere in the world. It has the fastest speeds available, and it's one of the few that are working. So what you need to do is to open NordVPN. You search for the UK, and then you select it. Once connected, you should go back. And then what you need to do is to restart the page, and you should open DAZN again. And as you can see, I successfully got access to DAZN with no problem, and I can sign up even if I am in a country that is not compatible with DAZN. You can, of course, get a subscription and you can watch the IPL 23 in any country in the world using this trick. I will leave a link in the description and in the first comment, so you can have 63% off NordVPN, which is again the best VPN provider. And also, you get a 3 extra months for free with 30 days money back guarantee. So make sure to give it a chance by clicking on the link in the description and in the pinned comment. And thank you guys for watching. Hope that this helps you. If you want to see more tutorials, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.